Hi, I'm Jenny, the social media manager at Autoshop Solutions. We're an automotive digital marketing agency that specializes in websites and internet marketing solutions. Today, we're answering several questions about social media and why you need social media posts. So, why do you need to be on Facebook and why is it important to make social media posts? A business page on Facebook gives you a way to communicate directly with your audience. You can post shop updates, highlight new employees, and share funny photos, anything that's going on in your day-to-day shop life. It's a great way to get in front of customers and give life to your shop. It shows personality and a few faces behind the name. This is how you connect with your clients, potential clients, online. It's how you become memorable. If you really want to get into it, Facebook Insights also provide helpful data about your audience that can be instrumental with Facebook ads. Here's another reason. Your biggest competition is already on Facebook. You don't want to miss out on opportunities that they have, do you? If all that's not enough for you, think of the SEO boost that your socials give you. Facebook has a high domain authority. This means that Google trusts Facebook and ranks it high on its search results. If your business has a Facebook page, it will show up on the top of the first page of Google. That's another landing page and an extra layer of validity for your business. On top of that, the posts and links on your Facebook page can give you an SEO boost if search engines index them. How many times a week should you post on social media? Is there a minimum number of social posts needed? Each social media channel is different. On Twitter, posting 2 to 3 times a day is best. We recommend posting at least once per week for auto shops on Instagram and posting stories when you can. Your main platform will most likely be Facebook, and for the auto industry, 2 to 4 times per week is standard. Studies have shown that businesses that posted 5 or more times per week were no better off than those who posted 5 times per week or fewer. Quality over quantity always. Thanks for watching. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website or subscribe to our YouTube channel.